She got you.
Aunt Kelsey sent you a surprise. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, say thank you, Aunt Kelsey.
This is Kelsey.
Here you go. Open it up. See what's in there. Oh, it's a letter.
Ooh.
It says, for my goddaughter and nephew, a few shows to begin your Christian education, and stickers because every 2-year-old needs sticky pictures of fish and giraffes and whales to decorate my sister's home with. Your godmother and adoring Aunt Kelsey. Wow. Keep looking, there's more. Rylan, is that yours? What are they?
Look at that!
Oh, what are these?
Are those stickers?
What are they stickers of? What are those? They're fish. What's that? Movies. Oh my God, how cool! This is so exciting! You need to get more excited because this is so awesome! Are you excited? Maddie, are you excited? What do you want to do first? Open stickers or want to put on the movie? Yes? Look at Daddy and say, thank you, Kelsey.
This is Kelsey.
Say, I love you